One of the biggest questions I get from dental practitioners is what camera kit I'd recommend. I actually shoot on a Sony system, and I find that the Sony Muralist Alpha range is perfect for this type of work as it offers versatility in both stills and video. The camera I'm using at the moment is the Sony A7R5, which is a 61 megapixel full frame camera, and for times when I do not require as high resolution as 61 megapixels, I sometimes shoot with the A7 IV. I think the biggest advantage of this camera and the Alpha range in general for dental photography is the weight reduction when compared to a digital SLR. It is lighter, it's much more portable, which makes it easier to undertake repetitive tasks. There are also so many features you can take advantage of when using this type of camera kit for anything other than dentistry, including an incredible eye autofocus system, low light capability, high dynamic range, and a single mount system that's got over 70 lenses. I pair the Sony A7R5 with the 90mm macro G Master lens, which is possibly one of the sharpest lenses I've ever used, and it's a perfect focal range for intraoral photography. Then for the flash I use the Godox MF-R76, which is a dental ring light, and it provides accurate ETTL functions with slight diffusion that mimic the result of a softbox, without the need for alternate attachments. Another great part of using the Sony system for dental photography is the ability to store and record custom exposure modes. So I can set up my exposure settings for intraoral photography and store them as a preset under custom 1. Then for extraoral photography, I'll store them as a custom 2, and the third custom setting for video. So basically, if someone picks up my camera and accidentally or deliberately changes the camera settings, I can reset it back by simply rotating the dial back to custom 1 mode or custom 2, whichever I'm using. It eliminates the worry over camera settings and lets me focus directly on the dental photographic technique, which is often one of the most difficult things when you're actually doing it.